Prawn curry rice is Goa's favorite lunch. Let us see how to make it. We will use amade or hog plums as souring agent. You can use raw mango or tamarind. 1 cup fresh coconut, 2 red dry chilies, 10 to 14 Goan dry chilies, these are spicy, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon turmeric, quarter teaspoon rice, half onion sliced. This will all go into the curry. We will grind it in a mixer jar or an electric grinder with some water. We want the paste to be very fine. Chop half onion for the tadka. Now peel 5 hog plums, or you can replace this with tamarind pulp, 1 teaspoon. Keep this aside. Prawns are 250 grams after shelling. I have kept the tail part. Now add coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. Add chopped onion. Fry till soft. Add prawns. The prawns were too fresh, so it was not possible to remove the entire shell easily, so I left on the tail part. Now add amade and little water. Let it cook. Add a pinch of hing. This is to aid the digestion of prawns. Boil it. Add sea salt and 1 slit green chili for flavor. Check if amade is cooked and the onion is cooked. Add the coconut paste and keep stirring, otherwise the curry may split. We have added the rice to make it thick. Now serve this with rice. Let us see how to make rice. I have used here basmati rice. Wash and soak 1 cup for 1 hour minimum. Even 2 hours will do. Measure 4 cups water in a utensil and keep it to boil. Drain the rice and add to the boiling water. Stir well so that no lumps are formed. Keep checking if the rice is cooked. The grains will grow long if you have soaked it. Now it is ready. Strain in a colander. You can see the rice grains. Now fluff it a bit. It is ready to serve. Serve with hot prawn curry. Subscribe to my channel.